Hey everybody, so I got a new dash cam from REDTIGER to share today. I did a REDTIGER, it was actually one of the very first dash cams I ever did, but this is the F17 model, and this is a 3-channel. You also do get your user guides, you also get a quick user guide. You do have the rear camera, and then this one does have a front facing for the cab. The GPS unit is built into the mount itself, so you don't have to worry about sticking any extra cords or anything on this one. And this one does come with a 12-volt Type-C cord. I do have one of these adapters that connects to your OBD port. I'm going to give this a try. Now, I've heard some mixed things with it. I've heard that it doesn't work with my truck still, that my truck shuts that off too. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. If it works, cool. I'll be able to let you know. Let's go ahead and get it installed and get some footage. All right, so we got it all installed. The good news is that OBD port, it works. The bad news though, it doesn't work for hardwire. All right, so this is where I have it installed on my windshield. Now, I did run the wires through the liner and on through the back. And then I wired up the camera right back here on my mount. All right, as we're doing this, we go ahead and do a sound test on the dash cam, see how the mic sounds on it, see how well it picks up sounds. I guess I can roll down the window to see how well it picks up sounds out there as well. Not a whole lot of sounds going on besides the beach, of course. All right, let's go ahead and get some night driving going. All right, I'm back the next day after taking a look at the footage and doing a little bit of driving around at night. Now for me, I like dash cams more for like nature and drives and stuff like that. Of course, they are there for emergencies and accidents and you got some footage, but that's not even 1% of my driving. I like to be able to get footage when I'm visiting places. Overall though, compared to the previous REDTIGER that I did a couple of years ago, this one is far better, much better quality, and it has pretty clear picture. And the app works tremendously better compared to the older model and versions of it. But maybe for those that do like Uber and stuff, maybe you like to have a camera like this where you can have footage of the people inside your vehicle. I believe I read there's a polarizer lens for this model of the REDTIGER, so I'm going to look into getting one. But I want to work on getting a hardwire kit so I can actually hardwire this one and show you some of those features as well. Anyway, hopefully this gives you a decent idea what to expect. I will get those other items and try to do some updates here showing all those other features here in the very near future. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.